Well, it's a real honour. It's so exciting, but it also brings with it feelings of responsibility, particularly given the challenges that the Royal Mint was facing in terms of people moving from coins to different forms of payments. Given our 1100 years history, I really feel the responsibility to ensure that I lead the organisation in the reinvention so that we've got a vibrant and successful future for many generations in the future. People might think that because we've got a long history that the organisation's stuck in the past, it's resistant to change, but that's just not my experience. Our history gives us real confidence and the capabilities to build on, and the organisation's really enthusiastic about moving forward. This is a critical time also for the world in regards to the environment, and I feel a real responsibility for the Royal Mint to play its really important role, particularly in precious metals and the recycling of that. Also, I'm the first female chief executive in the Royal Mint's 1100 year history, and so I hope that my appointment can be a role model for other women in areas of industry. So in summary, I guess I feel a lot of responsibility, but that never feels like a burden, because it's such a privilege to work for an organisation like the Royal Mint with its history and its exciting future. I think the main thing that inspires me about my role is the focus and the dedication of the team that I work with to reinvent the Royal Mint. It's really inspiring. The reinvention has required really every colleague of our 1,000 colleagues to learn new skills, to do things in new ways. And every time we come up against a challenge, I'm always so impressed with the way that the team really tackles that and really overcomes the issue. My career is really focused on leading organisations through cultural change and strategic change, and I can't think of a more exciting opportunity than this. So that really inspires me every day to do everything I really love to do in my career. And then when I look at our products, I'm absolutely blown away by the craftsmanship. They're like tiny pieces of art. And also the customers that I meet who've been long-term customers with us absolutely love our products. That really inspires me. Well, my advice would be to really take every opportunity during your career, and at any point in your career, opportunities to do roles that you may not have necessarily thought of, opportunities to do development. I think if you focus on having a really very structured career plan, often you miss opportunities. And so I think it's to be really outwardly looking. I think it's really important to find a role and a career that you're going to really enjoy, because you spend so much time at work. But people are going to have 2 or 3 careers, I think, during their working life. And therefore, I really wouldn't feel too concerned to really rush into finding out what that is. I think it's really important to, if you're thinking about a role, to really find an organisation whose values are like yours, and in that way you'll be as happy as you can, and you'll be as effective as you can. And finally, I wish somebody had told me that it's never too early to start paying into a pension. And then I thought about that, and I think they did tell me. I just wish I'd listened to it. So give yourself some options when you may not want to work later in life.